Hello, I am Dr. Parul Kapadia, MD and PhD, reader in Rog Vidhan department in Gokul Ayurvedic College, Sidpur. I am going to start my topic on Prameha. Nirukti of Prameh. Pra means excess and Meh means urine. प्रत्यात्म लक्षण ऑफ प्रमेय. तत्र प्रभूत आविल मूत्रता. प्रत्यात्म लक्षण ऑफ प्रमेय. तत्र प्रभूत आविल मूत्रता लक्षण सर्व एव प्रमेय. फ्रॉम सुश्रुत निदानसान चैप्टर नंबर 6. सामान्य लक्षणम तेषां प्रभूत आविल मूत्रता. दोष दृश्य विशेष अपि तत्संयोग विशेषतः. In Ayurvedic text, Prameh is defined to be characterized with excessive urination, both in quantity and frequency, and turbidity. The nature of the turbidity may vary depending upon the body reaction with the doshas. निदान. आस्य सुखम स्वप्न सुखम दधिनी ग्राम्योदक आनुप्रसापयांसी नवान्नपानम गुर्दैकृतम च प्रमेय हेतु कपकृच सर्वम. This quotation is from Charak Chikitsa San 6. संप्राप्ति means pathogenesis. मेदश्च मांसज शरीरद क्लेदम कफम वस्तिगत प्रदुष्य करोति मेहान समुदीर्णम उष्णस्थानी पित्तम परिदुष्य चापि क्षीणेषु दोषेषु अवकृष्य वस्ति समुपत्यम. Means when cough vitiates, it spreads all over the body due to laxity of body and mix up with medo dhatu and clade and mans, which affects mutrava shrotas, vangshan and basti marg and leads to prameh, means prabhut avil mutrata. Dushya and prameh. There are 10 dushyas involved in prameha. Ras, rakta, mans, med, majja, shukra, vasa, oj, kled and lasika, and 3 doshas are involved in prameh samprapti. Purva roop. जटिली भावम केशेषु means matting of hairs. Madhur ashita means sweetness in mouth. Kar pad daham burning in sole and palms. And muktal sosham means dryness in mouth and throat. Pipasha excessive thirst. Alasya laziness. Paridaham burning. Suptita means numbness. Satpat pipidika pischa sarir mutram abhisharanam. This quotation is from Charak Nidan San चैप्टर नंबर 4. जटिली भावम केशेषु माधुर्यम आशिष्य कर पाद दाह मुख तालु शोषम पिपाशम आलस्यम मलम च काय काय छिद्रेषु च उपदेह परिदाह सुप्तता च अंगेषु षट्पद पिपलिका पिश्च शरीर मूत्र अभिशरणम मूत्रे च मूत्र दोषान विश्रम शरीर गंधम निंद्रा तंद्रा सर्वकालमिति. And other Purarupas are which Acharya Charak mentioned Purarupas in Chikitsa Sthan chapter number 6 also, which are Shvedo Angagandh Sithilangta etc. This is classification of Prameha, etiological classification according to Acharya Shushruta. Sahaj Prameha. Growth onset, juvenile diabetes and insulin dependent diabetes mellitus. It depends on family history. Early onset, we can see early onset in this kind of patients, asthenic constitution and prone to complications. Next is apathya nimittas prameha, non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus. Overnutrition, sedentary habits, obesity, and this type is manageable with diet control and herbo-mineral treatment, and we can do Aptarman Chikitsa in this type of diabetes. Kapach Prameha. There are 10 types of Kapach Prameha. It is early diabetes. Kapach Prameha patients are overweight with mild hyperglycemia. Patients has complaint of polyuria or glycosuria. Next one is Pittach Prameh. There are 6 types of Pittach Prameh, which is acute diabetes. Patients of Pittach Prameh, he has loss of weight, hyperglycemia and glycosuria, and most prone to urinary tract infection. Next type is Vatach Prameh. There are 4 types of Vatach Prameh. which is chronic diabetes, and patients of Vatas Pramehi has severe hyperglycemia with glycosuria, cachexia, nephropathy and neuropathy, retinopathy, cardiorespiratory complication and gangrene. Therapeutic classification based on body constitution according to Acharya Charak. There are two types: Sthula Pramehi, which are obese and non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus, which is manageable with diet control and exercise. Next type is Krish Pramehi, asthenic and insulin dependent diabetes mellitus, not manageable with diet control alone, rather requires nutritive treatment, Bruhan Chikitsa. Prognostic classifications: साध्य कफोत्था 10, पित्तज षड्याप्या and असाध्य पवना चतुष्क. Means first of all साध्य प्रमेह, which is manageable. अपथ्य निमित्त प्रमेह, non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus is included in these types. कफज प्रमेह, early diabetes, and स्थूल प्रमेही, we can include this kind of pramehi in sadhya type of classification. Next one is yapya, which is palliative. Pittach prameh is yapya, and we can also include acute diabetes in this type of classification. Next one is asadhya type, which is unmanageable. Sahaj prameh, insulin dependent diabetes mellitus. Vatach prameh, chronic diabetes. And Krish Pramehi, asthenic diabetics patients are included in this kind of classification. Types of Prameha. There are 10 types are included in Kafaj Prameh. First of all, Udak May. In this type of May, urine would be transparent, abundant, white, cold, odorless and water-like. Ikshvalika. In this kind of Prameh patient, we can see excessively sweet urine, cold, slightly slimy, turbid and like the juice of Ikshvalika. Means sugarcane juice like urine. Next type is Sandra May, when urine kept for the night precipitates in the pot. Next one is Sandra Prasad. In this urine, partly precipitates and is partly clear. Pisht May. In this type, patient excretes urine frequently as white and flour-like, means paste-like. Next one is Sukra May. Urine is mixed with semen. Seet May, which will be frequent and excessive urination. Urine is sweet and cold. Next type is Sikt May, one who passes small particles situated morbidity in urine. Sane May, passes urine with difficulty and slowly without any urge. Lala May, urine as bound with threads, saliva-like slimy urine. There are 6 types of Pittach Prameh. First of all, Kshar, Kal, Neel, Lohit, Manjist and Haridra. These 6 types are included in Pittach Prameh. First one is Kshar May. Urine is like alkali in respect of smell, color, taste and touch. Next is Kal May. Urine is hot and of color and of black of color. Neel May. Urine is having sour taste, having color like that of the feather of char's bird. Next one is Rakta May. Urine has fleshy smell, saline taste, hot and red in color. Manjishtha May. Urine resembles the decoction of Manjishtha and having fleshy smell, means Vishragandh. Haridra May. Urine is like decoction of Haridra, has pungent taste. 4 types are included in Vatach Prameh, which are incurable. वसा में यूरिन मिक्स्ड विथ मसल फैट मीन्स वसा. नेक्स्ट वन इज मज्जा में passes मज्जा along with urine. हस्ती में passes urine excessively and constantly like an excited elephant. And मधुमेह which is incurable. In this type patient passes urine as astringent, sweat, pale and rough. These are the उपद्रवास of प्रमेह according to अष्टांग संग्रह. First of all, in कफज प्रतिशय, शरीर शैथिल्य, अरोचक, अविपाक, प्रसेक, निंद्रा, छर्दी एंड कास. In पित्तज प्रमेह, the उपद्रवास are अम्लिका means hyperacidity, पिपासा, ज्वर, दाह, चोस means burning pain, अतिसार, पांडु, वृषण अवधारण means cracking of the scrotal skin. And in वातज प्रमेह, हृदग्रह, लौल्यम means excessive hunger, अनिद्रा, कंप, शूलम, बद्ध पुरुषत्व, कास and श्वास. These are the complications of वातज प्रमेह. Prognosis of प्रमेह, साध्य कफोत्थादस means कफज is साध्य प्रमेह due to समक्रियत्वात्. पित्तज प्रमेह are याप्य due to विषम क्रियत्वात्. and वातज प्रमेह are असाध्य due to महाअत्यत्वात्. उपेक्षया जयन्ते पीडिका मधुमेहिका. मधुरम यच्च मेहिषु प्रायो मद्भिर्मेहति सर्वेपि मधुमेहख्या मधुरयच्च तनुरत. This quotation is from Bhagavad Nidan San 10. Thank you.